Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use your Gmail inbox to check mail from other Gmail accounts. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Gmail and select the gear icon up at the top right. Just go ahead and left click on that, and then select See All Settings. Now select Accounts and Import up at the top, and where it says Check Mail from Other Accounts, select Add a Mail Account, and then at this point you would enter in that email address you want to retrieve emails from. You have to enter in the password, and then you would receive a verification email at the said email address, just confirming permissions have been granted, and then you'd be able to receive emails forwarded from that other email address. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.